Coming off the heels of Trinidad Carnival, I know that Dominica Carnival will be bigger, will be better than what I just experienced. So trust me.
You know, you're coming full force into the Carnival fray again. Talk a bit about how important it is for you.
Oh, it's extremely important. Well, for us in terms of Exodus Carnival, you know, coming together with Campari and Yardmas is probably three of the biggest brands that you will see in the space coming together like this. Partnerships like this are rare. You know, it's one thing we see two big brands to come together, but three big brands to come together all at once. It's really unique, and I think it's going to, you know, allow Carnival in Jamaica to grow exponentially.
Clearly, you've been flying solo for a while, and then you were approached and said, let's do this, you know, with another entity. Let's make this bigger, you know, in a sense. Your thoughts on that when you were approached?
Yeah, well, you know, a lot has happened in the last 3 years. 2020, when we were hit by COVID, it forced a lot of us to take some time to reassess everything, to look on, you know, how we approach things, you know. I mean, before COVID, you know, we're all very strong brands, you know. Yardmas and all the entities that are associated with Yardmas, we're very strong. So coming out of COVID, you know, after some introspection, after looking on where the industry is and how low the industry went because of COVID, you know, we had no choice but to kind of realize, all right, you know, that was my competitor, but really and truly we have the same goal and we have the same passion. And what coming out of just that realization, and Campari with the perfect timing, Campari was able to bring us together, you know, have a meeting. We all realize that we share the same goal for Carnival in Jamaica. We want to grow the Carnival in Jamaica product to, you know, the highest level and beyond that we can imagine right now.
I think what is great is the mere fact that we have gotten, I would say, two competitors within the Carnival space, both Yardmas and Exodus, to work together to unite, to deliver 2023 Carnival experience through brand Campari. And what it shows is the maturity of, I would say, our band organizers in Jamaica in understanding the business of Carnival and what that means to Jamaica and making, you know, our nation as a destination to enjoy Carnival. So for us, Carnival with Campari will definitely be way more exciting than it was in the past, because we're having these two entities, Exodus and Yardmas, coming together to deliver the experience for our consumers. So we're looking forward to it.
Campari will be the king of Carnival. And the pandemic taught us one big thing, guys, and we know this. Unity is a major thing. We got through it together, and Carnival is going to be better together this year, 2023.
Carnival, a time of fame, music, and enjoyment. Time to bring people together to make unforgettable memories. We want to keep the revelous tradition for a lifetime. So we decided to work together to create the best Carnival experience Jamaica has ever seen. Campari, Exodus, Yardmas, this is for you.